5, 4, 3. You can do this. 2, 1.
Come on, Abby, you'll be late.
I'll be down in a minute.
You nervous about today? Meeting all the new people?
It'll be fine, like.
You will. You will. Phone all charged up and
I'm
everything?
gonna get a coffee. I'll call you later.
Don't call me later. Call me Dad.
Hi love, what can I get you?
Coffee, please.
To go?
Yeah.
Large?
No, thanks. Thanks. Three, 2, 1.
Model you in? You must be Abby.
Yes, it's my first time doing this. I'm pretty excited about it.
Good. Okay, so are you happy with... we have Switzerland.
Okay, yeah.
Michael, Beth, introduce yourselves to Abby.
Welcome. I'm Beth and this is Michael.
Switzerland, right? That's a great one to start off with.
I was Switzerland last time. You don't have to do much talking.
Yeah, she was the Swiss Miss.
Well, we have a new Swiss Miss now.
Are you ready for the legacy?
I'm the United States this time, so you better watch out.
Don't invade me.
All right, guys, take your places. Now, today we're going to be discussing a couple of issues facing the world. So, first things first, does everyone have a country? Yes. Lovely. Because we have 9 delegates here, a simple majority will be set at 5 votes. A 2/3 majority will be set at 6. Let's have fun and change the world.
I, the delegate of South Korea.
Point of personal privilege.
Vote with me.
Rent, is it?
I move that there should be a moratorium on pineapples, on
The proud and prosperous
pizza.
people of the great United States cannot support such a
People's Republic of
ludicrous measure.
China is delighted that the issue of the migrant crisis is finally being discussed in the Security Council.
Thank you, China.
Oh, here,
The
here.
Croatian delegation is delighted to hear the council talking about topic A, the migrant crisis.
The United Kingdom must have proposed that the impositions made on its sovereignty
Fucking,
regarding
you know what I
the
mean.
migration crisis.
I yield my remaining time to the chair.
Switzerland. Switzerland.
Switzerland abstains, I guess. Sorry. Excuse me.
The United States motions for a recess.
Three, 2, 1.
Hey, there's still some pizza left outside if you want some. I wouldn't the perks of being the model you earn. You okay?
Yeah, I'll be out in a minute. Can I have a knife and fork, please?
Yeah, sure.
His name was Timmy.
This is better than last time, eh?
Oh my god, this pizza is like shit. So bad. But anyway, the chicken's nice. Being a real country is better than not being a real country. If you know what I mean.
Yeah, like being on the security council is so much better. But like, you're doing really well.
Oh, hi, Dad. Yeah, everything was fine. I mean, everyone's practically dead after the session, but yeah, lots of new people, I guess. We'll see. So, can you pick me up outside the building in about 5 minutes? Yeah, all right, Grant. See you then.